Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, brown color, blue color, red color. Let's learn alphabets, capital letters. A for aeroplane. B for basket. C for cherry. D for dolphin. E for earthquake. F for farmer. G for girl. H for hand. I for injection. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. M for moon. N for needle. O for onion. P for pineapple. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. T for teacher. U for Uranus. V for violin. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yam. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's match the colors. Yellow color, red color, blue color. These three are primary colors. We can make different colors by using these three colors. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye.